All right, so the Lockbar insert that we were doing in that last video, this is the knife that I put together for that video. I've been carrying it for like 2 months, whatever it's been. And surprisingly, we've sort of abandoned that project for now. We changed a couple things with the way that we make the Lockbar and the blade, the rampy thingy on the blade, and how Eric polishes and things like that. So things are going really good right now, which kind of reduced the pressure of wanting to make the Lockbar, the Lockbar insert thing. So, and that's been a complicated project, but we got one done. It worked pretty well, and it's just kind of like on the shelf for right now. So we'll get back to it eventually.
Well, I'm just lapping the second side of blades right now. These two pods here have our new carrier rings installed, so if I peek under this foam, you can see this is a G10 cutout designed to fit into the ring, and then it's got 2 pockets, or windows I suppose you could say, cut out that fit the parts perfectly into them. We made 3 for blades, 3 for handles, and they should just help the pods keep spinning and provide better support.
So we are finally clearing off this shelf of garbage and junk and tools that has been around forever. We also put a wooden board under the stairs so that all of Falcor's hair doesn't continue to fall on all the cool tools and stuff. We got a new mirror for the bathroom so that various short people and various tall people all get the same vantage point. Also in the new shop, we're kind of putting all the stuff that we don't really use super often and just gets it out of the main shop and lets us focus on the heat treat area right here. We also got a new tap controller for the heat treat oven that's touchscreen, and it actually controls the temperature 90 times per second instead of once every 15 seconds like the old one. More info on that to come. Sky's gonna run that through. And the shelf is finally coming together. Get all my old car stuff off of there and organized. Angela's been really good about organizing it into like fixtures and tools and spray paints and maintenance and his Kennedy box.
Old school Kennedy keys. This must be like from the 70s.
Oh yeah, it's super old. But
he's a really old tool maker.
They're like the best quality, and they always have been, basically. It's a Kennedy Kits toolbox. It's the quintessential machinist toolbox, essentially.
Old school.
Yeah. Smells like machine shop.
It does smell like thousands of aerospace parts over the years.
So this came from your old work?
Yeah, an old tool maker who retired. So I bought it off him. This will be my third toolbox.
You gotta rebuild it?
I don't know. Pretty old. The slides are getting pretty old, beat up. Yeah, that's really beat up.
So they make a smaller one than this?
Yeah. They make a slightly smaller one. This is one of the smaller ones they make.
So I knew in my head, I've seen a video about how the Kennedys are made from many years ago, and I found it now. So we're gonna link this at the end of the video. It's a very cool video. Angelo, coming from a machinist background, everybody has one. I've never had one. I've never actually seen one until I saw his, but they are very nice and very cool. I might have to get one day soon. But check out this video, link right here somewhere or in the description.